Friday, 13th of August 2023. Just told the doggies off for digging up around the new cherry tree I just planted. Silly doggies. Not very nice this morning. I was looking at going out with the drone and having a bit of a play around the bottom of the catchment area, but I might leave that till later now. Do that when I go out on the bike after testing my new and final GoPro helmet cam setup. I've got a dirty old GoPro 7 which I've had for years, and I've been struggling with mounts and connections to audio for that amount of time as well. So I think I finally cracked it, and I'll just give you a quick overview of how it's set up. Alright, so this is how I've set up my GoPro Hero 7 on my Scorpion helmet. Mounted to the side of the chin bar, got a curved piece here, and then I've joined it up to the camera. The camera lens was trying to get it middle, but it's not quite, but it's close enough. I didn't want it to be too floppy around with all this stuff in here, so it's relatively rigid now. I've got an Ulanzi GoPro camera and microphone adapter holder. And as you can see, that's how that's connected. And now on that side, I've covered up the HDMI port into the adapter, and I've got this low profile 3.5mm TRS adapter which goes down into the microphone connector, which is attached to the helmet, and that is also zip tied inside the helmet as well, so it doesn't move around. One other thing, I've got this little line on here. I drew this little line on, so that's the optimal angle for the camera when I'm riding the bike, and that's lined up. So yeah, pretty cool. Finally got it sorted. Unfortunately, the audio still not the best. It's way better. Visors up, and we're testing 1 2 3 normal voice. If the visor's down, it's definitely 50% better than if it's not. We're doing 70 kilometers an hour. I don't have my Cena on. So if I really want to have a serious conversation with myself, I will just put the visor down and carry on putting the wheel to rights.